Hey y'all, Corey here from Rago Fabrication. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your 3rd Gen Tundra CV antenna mount. Let's get started. First we're going to start by removing the tail light. All you need to do is pop out the tail light. Now we're going to place the bracket at our location and mark our drilling points. Now you're good to drill. Now we'll just add the hardware we've provided. Now take your washer and locking nut and go through your tail light to place on your bolts.